If you're like me, the first thing I do setting up my RV is I was trying to find where I can save space and make everything as efficient as possible. And one of the first things that I noticed is I have no place to put all of our keys. We have 6 vehicles, so we needed something that would hold all of our keys. And here we go. Vispa sent this key holder. It has 6 slots to hold your keys. And look at this magnetic strip on the back. I absolutely love that because in an RV, the walls are very thin and you probably don't want to drill through them. But if you want to use this in your home and not an RV, or maybe in your shop, they do include the screws, so you can mount it that way also. I'll tell you right now, this is a very heavy duty magnet. And going back to the making use of all the space you have, they've included a tray at the top. So put your sunglasses here, your cell phone, whatever you need to do to get out the door without a lot of hassle. It'll keep it all handy right there. Let's go take a look at it in use. Here I am in our RV, not a lot of space in the kitchen. That's how easy it is to install this. And when I say the magnet is strong, I'm giving this a good pull and really it's staying stuck. So if you're driving down the road, pulling your camper or something, this would be great. There's 6 spots. I'll put a little decorative key there. Like I said, we have a lot of different vehicles. And a door lock. Going back to being space saving, here's a place for your remotes, for your cell phone, your sunglasses, whatever you need there. Highly recommend this product. I love how well it blends in with the black on my RV. Do you want to save even more space? Here is a little bitty slot in between my pantry and the fridge. And this slides right in there. Space saving, out of sight, but easy access.